Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make English simple, clear and real. Today we are going to talk about something many English learners get confused about. Adjectives that end in ed and ing. These don't mean the same thing, and mixing them up can change the whole meaning of what you're trying to say. Let's start by understanding what these adjectives are. Ed adjectives describes how someone feels. For example, I'm bored. That's how I feel. Ing adjectives describes the thing or person that causes the feeling. For example, this movie is boring. The movie is making me feel bored. So remember, ed, the feeling, ing, what causes the feeling. Now let's look at a few examples. Bored versus boring. I'm bored. So this means I feel bored. This class is boring. This means it makes me feel bored. Let's look at another example. Confused versus confusing. He's confused about the homework. The instructions were confusing. Annoyed versus annoying. I'm annoyed by the noise. This noise is annoying. Surprised versus surprising. I was surprised by the news. The news was surprising. Here's a tip. These are adjectives, not verb tenses. Don't confuse them with present continuous or past participles as part of verb phrases. You might say, I'm bored because the book is boring. The first part is how you feel. The second part is what's causing the feeling. Now, let's look at some of the mistakes students make. I was interested in the movie. That's wrong. It should be, I was interested in the movie. Use ed for your feelings and ing for the thing causing it. Let's take a look at this example. Scared versus scary. She's scared. That's how she feels. That movie was scary. The movie caused the fear. Now, some of you might ask, why do we say scary, not scaring? This is because scary is just an adjective. It doesn't follow the pattern. We say scary because it's an adjective. We say scaring only when it's used as a verb. Other adjectives like that are happy, loud, and funny. They work the same way. Now, what is scaring? Scaring comes from the verb scare. It is the present continuous form of the verb. We use it when something is happening now. Let's look at this example. That movie is scaring the kids. So the movie is the subject. That's what we are talking about. Is scaring is a verb phrase, present continuous, which is action happening now. The kids are the object. They are receiving the action. So the movie is doing the action of scaring the kids right now. So scary is an adjective. It made kids feel afraid. Scaring is a verb, meaning the action is happening right now. So now, before you speak or write, ask yourself, am I talking about a feeling? Use ed. Am I talking about the cause? Use ing. Now, it's your turn. Write 2 sentences in the comments, one with ed, one with ing. I'll help you check them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.